What if Indonesia's sunlight, wind and water could power its future? With over 17,000 islands, the world's largest archipelago has everything it needs to lead in green energy. The challenge is turning this vast potential into real solutions for industries, transport and communities. Green hydrogen is transforming industries worldwide, from steel to transport. To accelerate this transition, Germany's Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Energy launched the H2Up program. Implemented by GIZ and AHK Indonesia, it helps private sector projects move from ideas to action. In Indonesia, H2Up brings ministries, companies and experts together to convert vision into progress. Through roundtables and seminars, we spark collaboration and lay the foundation for a new energy ecosystem. These gatherings unite decision-makers and innovators around a shared goal: developing Indonesia's green hydrogen landscape. Practical, forward-looking and sustainable. As part of this effort, Neumann and ESSA Southeast Asia, Hydrogen de France and GIZ have signed a cooperation agreement to explore green hydrogen's potential for decarbonizing maritime transport in small island regions. An important step in a broader public-private partnership initiative.
This event really great, so we can have a good sharing knowledge and we can have a new idea what we should do next forward. And please keep on your track to moving forward with the renewable energy.
So green hydrogen is gaining momentum in Indonesia, not only as a future fuel but also important tool to decarbonize our industries.
Indonesia's green hydrogen journey has begun. With innovation and collaboration, today's ideas will become tomorrow's solutions. Join us in shaping a sustainable future.